Hi, Patty here again. I'm back to show you that I'm going to put up the trim on the outside of the garage. I already did the inside and the weather stripping for the door. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to go about my business. I'm going to measure. I'm going to put up the two side pieces. Then I'm going to put up the top piece. I'm going to use some nails just to place them. And then ultimately I'm going to use these Azek, because these are PVC boards, by the way. That way you don't have to, they won't rot. I'm going to use these Azek screws ultimately after they're placed. See, they have a very, it comes with a bit. I'll show you the bit. I already have it in the drill. And you can only sink that screw that far as the stop puts you. And then at that point, you hide that screw head with one of these plugs that you pop out and you put in the hole. So, no need to talk. I'm just gonna go about my business. I'm gonna measure the two side pieces, tack them in place with the nails, do the same for the top, then put it all together with these Azek screws, and I'll show you that screw going in and how you plug it. But for right now, I'm just gonna go about my business. All right, I'll talk to you in a bit. I'm gonna place you down on the ground so you can see me better. There, how's that? That's a good view. Put on your glasses. And that's it. Pretty much it's all done. I feel like I want to caulk some pieces, can paint it, whatever I want to do. But that there is now a trimmed out garage. I'm very pleased with it. Thanks for joining me again. I'll see you next time.